Welcome back to our channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Olivia, and today I will be reviewing the Fujifilm 16-80 f4. This lens is equivalent to a 24-122mm, making it an extremely versatile lens. Because it is so versatile, today we're breaking it down into three main categories and testing how well it performs for macro, portrait, and also wide-angle photography. Weighing at just 480 grams, Fujifilm really have done an awesome job at making it as compact as possible for its focal length. It is still larger than the 18-55, but smaller than the 18-135. One thing to be mindful of is that the lens does extend when using the zoom. This lens is a really high quality build with metal construction and 6 stops of stabilization. This lens doesn't have an on and off switch for the stabilization. Instead, it uses new technology which automatically turns on when it detects movement. The lens has a really good size focus ring, clicky aperture ring, and also zoom ring. So now let's take it outside and see how it performs. So at the moment, I have the 16-80 on an XH1. I find that it's really well balanced and it's not too heavy at all, but if you were to put it on an XT20 or 30, I think you may find it a little bit top heavy. First up, we'll be testing out how well the lens performs while shooting macro photography. Overall, we found that the lens performed really well. With the landscapes, we found little distortion. Also, because we were shooting in daylight, we found that the Super EVC coating really helped. As for macro, they turned out okay. The only thing with it is that it does focus only 35 centimeters away from the subject. We found that it does focus really sharp at f4, but even sharper at f5 and 5.6. Finally, as for the portraits, we found that they did turn out quite well. We were shooting at 80mm, and with the 9 rounded blade aperture, the bokeh turned out quite smooth. Also, we didn't need it today, but the lens is weather resistant. Overall, I thought this was a great lens. Even though you are paying more than the 18-55, you're able to get the 16mm for landscape photographers and up to 80mm, which is great for portrait photographers. You also have a constant f-stop of f4, which makes it awesome for videographers as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and also check out our latest video. Is there a memory card in there? Yeah.